Morning guys. Well, I'm going to take you on a little tour of our new project. Yeah, lots to do here, a lot to do. So a little bit about the vehicle. So it's an American Ford 350 with a Coachmen body, and we bought this on eBay, or off eBay, and it was up for sale for various prices, and then eventually we saw it come down for well, to £1,695. At that point, me and Samantha decided we needed to get in our car and go throw some cash at the guy. So that's exactly what we did yesterday, and then it was towed home, well, brought back home on the back of a lorry. It's a 5.7 litre V8 engine, petrol engine, and I'm sure it's not going to do a lot to the gallon. The biggest problem with this is the interior. So it's sat around somewhere for many years by the looks of it, and various bits and pieces on the roof have leaked, including the air conditioning box, and the inside is completely rotten. So let's go and have a look at it. All right, from the driving seat then, let's see if we can get some mileage. There we go. 53,839 miles. Unbelievable for a 1986 vehicle. Well chuffed with that. A very good light, guys, sorry about that. The dashboard's really nice condition. Oh, and the obligatory fluffy dice. Lovely velour material. Let's see if we can get up and turn around. We're going to replace these carpets with something better. Let's get up. There you go. Sorry about the filming, guys, it is a bit tight in here. There we go. Okay, let's spin around and I'll show you some up. So above the driver and passenger, we've got, well, I actually think that's a double bed actually. When you fold that out, that's quite a depth there. I think you can get two people up there, but you definitely get one person up there quite comfortably. Lots of rot around. You can probably see here, all coming away here. So we're going to have to do some new boarding there. This is a mammoth task, guys. It really is a mammoth task. You know, don't underestimate when I turn this camera around how bad this is. It is bad. Okay, so yeah, damp there. Okay, right, let's spin around. Right, let's have a look at what's gone wrong back here. Okay, so we've got some chairs here that we are going to take out. We are going to do some kind of arrangement, we think, of some forward facing seats here for my youngest and any grandchildren. So we want a couple of belted forward seats here somewhere. I think Samantha is going to have all this area as some kind of a kitchen diner. Not sure yet exactly what we're going to do. We're going to rip it all out and then decide what's the best thing to do. Get it as a blank shell to start with. Okay, all these cupboards, ceiling look, all this is going to come out. All this wood is going to come out, and we're going to put new framing in here. The lot is coming out. Okay, cupboards, all this is coming out. Not sure if we're going to put cupboards up here as yet, so we'll see how that pans out. This was a problem area, so this was leaking. this air conditioning unit, the big lump on the roof, that was leaking, I think, for years, and the water's just been pouring in. I'll show you what the floor looks like in a minute if I don't fall through it, and I'm not kidding. Okay, so there's no supports here at all, none, and clearly there should be some supports here. There's nothing, so I think all this has rotted out at some point. There should be some supports here. In fact, you see the line there where one should be. All gone, all gone. Old electrics. Yep. The door, that's a fly screen on the door. Again, you know, it's all rotten. It's all rotten. Right, let me show you what this floor looks like, and I hope you've had your dinner, because this is not pleasant. Here we go. Okay. Rotten. Absolutely rotten. Yeah. I wish I had smelly vision. Yeah, this is. Oh, there you go. Look, completely rotten. So all this is coming out. It's all coming out. We're going to get right down to the chassis. I'm pretty careful. Being careful where I tread here. I'm going to end up going through. Yeah, cooker. I mean, look at that. It's minging. That is minging. All coming out. All coming out. Yeah. Fridge freezer. I don't think I've even opened this, actually. I don't think we've opened it. Oh, dare. What's in here? That's actually not. Dare I say, it's quite clean in there compared to the rest of the van. But I'm not keeping it. Anybody want to buy a fridge freezer? Bargain. Yeah. Yeah, if anybody does want a fridge freezer, guys, then let us know in the comments. We don't want any money for this, and I don't even know if it works, to be fair. So if you can do something with it, you're welcome to have it. Just don't bring it back if it don't work. Okay, so oh, that bedroom's minging. So in here is the shower, what was once a shower. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Ah. Ugh. Yeah. Needless to say, the lot is coming out. Oh, the door won't shut. This side is the toilet. All coming out. And this is, well, I guess this is the main bedroom. It's two singles though. Yeah. All this, all coming out. Like a middle wardrobe thing here that splits the two beds. Hey, look at that. I can even see the light, look. And a nice cobweb. Oh my God. Cobwebs here, look. Oh my God. Yeah. All gotta be removed. Rotten. Very rotten. Lovely colour. Not. that? What? Oh, carbon monoxide. Don't know what's in it. Anything in these things? Might find some treasure. Oh, what on earth is that? Well, there we go, and that's the bedroom. So that's the view from the bedroom to the front. I'll give you a quick look around the outside in a second. Just give you a look at what that looks like, what problems we've got out there. Right, let's go outside. Okay, so the engine is a 5.7 litre V8 petrol, and actually it runs really well. It's really quiet actually. No ticks, no rattles, no bangs. Got the battery on charge at the minute. It seems to be holding its charge. Spare wheel on the back. All these lights are going to come off. I'm going to replace all the lights. Paint all this coachwork and bumper. Not sure what we're doing with these windows yet. Whether we're going to put one large one in here or retain the two. Not sure. These lights here we plan to replace with LEDs. In the side panel at the rear we've got an Onan Emerald 1 genset. We have tried to run this. It's not running, but it's not seized, so that's good. Oil filter looks like it hasn't been changed in many a years. Yeah, we've took the spark plug lead off. There's no spark at the plug, so we're going to have to investigate why that is. So yeah, this is a bit of a mini project for later on. It's not something that's a priority for us, but a bit of a bonus that this is here. I believe, and don't quote me on this and tell me if I'm wrong, we believe this is about 4 kilowatts power, this genset, which is pretty handy. All the tyres have got good tread, but I would imagine I haven't looked at the Dayco's, but I imagine they're all very old tyres now, so we're going to have to change all the tyres for something else, almost certainly. So that's not a problem, and we'll get all these wheels sandblasted, and I think we're going to go for a cream colour wheel, which seems to look nice on this model. A couple of outlets for wastewater, one here and then there's one back here. I think I'm right in saying that this one is for shower and toilet. I'm not sure how that works out, but the pipe is joined between the two, and then that one is for the kitchen. And there are 3 separate storage tanks for wastewater on here. Weird. Yeah, there's 2 tanks at the back where but they're joined, and then this is a separate waste tank for the sink area, for the kitchen area. So on this side we got an awning which is not in the greatest of condition. So some damage here and here. So the sister-in-law doesn't know it yet, but she's going to be fixing that for us. Quite handy. That's it on that side. Not bad. The outside's not bad, just needs painting up. It's just that inside where we've got some major work ahead of us. That's it then, guys. Little tour for you Now some of you are interested in what it really looked like. Now you know. So if anybody's got any tips, any hints, any advice on where we can buy cheap materials, or materials at the right price I should say, for the inside, wood, that kind of thing, insulation, electrics, anything like that, please drop us a comment below. We'd love to hear what advice you can offer, because I'm sure we've got a lot of challenges ahead with this, but we can't wait to get started. In fact, I think we're going to get started tomorrow with the ripping out, and that's why I wanted to get this video out to you today, so you can see what it was like before we started ripping things out. Okay guys, thank you very much, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. We'd love to see you back again, and please give us some thumbs up, and any advice and tips, please let us know. Love you all guys, see you soon.